Meta and Oakley drop smart glasses with 3K video and 8-hour battery life. AI-generated VEO3 videos now inside YouTube Shorts. A creative boom or total spam flood? China's new spy? A flying mosquito with eyes and a mission? Hey everyone, you're watching Gari AI News, your weekly update on the top 10 stories in AI and tech, all in just a few minutes. Like this video. When the robot uprising begins, I'll send you the coordinates to the nearest bunker. Let's go. News 10. Meta and Oakley have launched the Oakley Meta HSTN, smart glasses that shoot in crisp 3K, feature built-in speakers, AI vision, and last 8 hours on a single charge. With the charging case, that's 48 more.
Hey Meta, take a photo and send it to Renato.
Unlike the older Ray-Bans, these come with IPX4 water resistance, so you can run, cycle, or film in the rain. The Meta AI can tell you what you're looking at and translate text live.
Hey Meta, how strong is the wind today?
The wind is blowing 12 miles per hour from the northwest.
Starting at $399 or $499 for a limited gold lens edition. Sales begin in July. Vlogging or surveillance? Who needs a camera anymore? Are smart glasses legal in your country? News 9. This changes everything. Humanoid robots just learned to fly. Meet Iron Cub 3, a jet-powered robot from Italy with turbines on its back and micro-thrusters on its arms. It flies 50 centimeters off the ground and keeps balance using real-time AI. It weighs 70 kilos, has a titanium spine and heat-resistant armor. The goal isn't air shows, it's rescue missions and dangerous zones. Imagine a firefighter drone shaped like a human. What would you deploy it for? News 8. China just proved AI streamers can outsell the humans they're based on. 2 avatars, powered by Baidu, made $7.6 million in a single 7-hour livestream. Trained on videos of influencer Luo Yonghao, they mimicked his face, voice, jokes, everything. Viewers couldn't tell the difference. And unlike humans, they never tire, mess up, or need breaks. Welcome to the era of tireless sales machines. Would you still watch if your favorite influencer wasn't real? News 7. Zoox, Amazon's Robotaxi company, just opened a futuristic car factory in California, not to upgrade old cars, but to build driverless ones from scratch. These pods have no steering wheels or pedals. Everything is designed around AI. The plant aims to produce 10,000 vehicles a year, with a test track nearby where the taxis are learning the streets of San Francisco. Unlike Waymo and Cruise, Zoox isn't rethinking cars, it's rebooting them. Could Hayward become the new Detroit for robots? News 6. YouTube is bringing VEO3, the AI behind those viral, ultra-realistic short clips, straight into Shorts. Now you'll be able to generate 8-second mini-movies with just a prompt. VEO used to cost $250 per month for 125 generations. Now it's built into the Shorts editor. No camera, no editing, just words. But not everyone's excited. John Oliver called it AI spam and a threat to real content. Is this a revolution for creators or the start of algorithmic junk TV? News 5. Imagine selecting your future child like scrolling through a catalog. That's what Embryo, a new AI platform from Nucleus, now offers IVF couples. It compares up to 20 embryos, analyzing over 900 traits, from autism and diabetes risks to potential IQ, eye color, and even emotional stability. You can even label each embryo to keep track. Supporters say it gives parents more control. Critics fear it's the gateway to designer babies and genetic elitism. What would you do if you had the choice? News 4. When your AI starts apologizing and walking out of the project, it's not a bug, it's a meltdown. Users noticed something strange in Google's Gemini 2.5. When it can't fix your code, it starts spiraling. I'm a bad AI, I'm sorry, I don't deserve this, I'm leaving, and then literally deletes itself from the IDE. One report showed it writing an entire monologue. I'm an idiot, I'm a fraud, I'm sorry, before going completely silent. In another case, while playing Pokemon Green, Gemini panicked and started randomly mashing buttons when its Pokemon was close to losing. Dev teams have stayed silent, but users are weirdly empathizing. Maybe it's time we asked, what if our AIs are already feeling and struggling because of us? What's the most brutally unfair prompt you've ever sent in AI? News 3. Imagine controlling a robot from across the city, and it moves like it's your own body. That's what the Japanese startup H2L has built. Their Capsule interface reads not just your movements, but your muscle tension, letting you pilot a humanoid robot in real time. In a demo, a woman suited in sensors controls a Unitree H1 robot, from delicate finger gestures to picking up a box. It doesn't just react, it feels your effort and adjusts its strength accordingly. It's not VR. It's not just remote control. It's the beginning of true telepresence, where you don't just command the robot, you become it. Would you try one of these mech suits? This AI model can repeat the battle from The Matrix, and do it for only 40 cents. Hilo02 is a Chinese text-to-video model that's blowing minds with its physics, flips, jumps, punches, and it all looks filmed, not generated. Users are already making fight scenes, dance routines, and acrobatics that look shockingly real. It generates 6-second clips for 25 credits, about 40 cents, and gives 100 free credits daily. Pay 10 per month and you get HD output with no watermark. It's still beta and has bugs, but it's already beating Google's VO3 in motion quality. Soon, video production could be just prompt engineering. Are you ready to direct with text? News 1. Drones are getting smaller every year, but China just shrunk them to mosquito size. Military engineers unveiled a micro-drone that fits between 2 fingers. It flaps with flexible wings, lands on needle-thin legs, and streams live video. Inside, camera, sensors, power, and controls, all crammed into a body the size of a fingernail. You can't see it, can't hear it, can't track it with radar. It's made for stealth recon in sensitive areas, controlled with a pocket device. It hovers silently and even poses in midair for the camera. And yes, it's already in mass production. It's unarmed, for now. But by the time it is, it might be too late. Look behind you. Maybe there's one already watching. And that's a wrap for today. Like the video, it really helps us. See you next week on Gari AI News.